Hi everyone. Today we want to learn how can use Sentinel-2 satellite for water quality monitoring in Google Earth Engine. The monitoring the water quality from space is powerful approach to assess the health of aquatic ecosystems, and satellite data enables wide area observation of a indication like a chlorophyll concentration, turbidity, and surface water extent, which are crucial for tracking the pollution, algal blooms, and ecosystem changes. Key remote sensing indices used first is NDWI, or Normalized Difference Water Index, help to differentiate water body from land and calculate as NDWI equal green subtract near infrared divided green plus near infrared, and values higher than 0 indicate the likely the presence of water. And other index is a chlorophyll proxy, red divided green ratio, and higher chlorophyll concentration causes the water to absorb more green light and reflect more red. And this ratio red per green increased with potential algal bloom or high biological productivity. So how Sentinel-2 works? Sentinel-2 is part of a Copernicus program by the European Space Agency, ESA, and it consists of two satellites, Sentinel-2A and 2B, that provide a high-resolution optical imagery globally, and special resolution is 10 meter to 60 meter across the 13 spectral bands, and revisit time of 5 days. And band used here, band 3 green 10 meter, band 4 red 10 meter, and band 8 near infrared 10 meter. These bands are ideal for analyzing the vegetation, water, and land features. So step-by-step implementation. In the first step, yeah, we define the area of interest like this. We selected the Southern Bangladesh areas. We write the latitude and longitude range like this. If you know how to create the bounding bus, you can watch our previous videos. And after this, we need to load to Sentinel-2 surface reflectiveness, and you can find the detail of this data set from Earth Engine data catalog. We use it the harmonized version of this, available from March 2017 until now with a revisit 5 days, and you can find the full description and user guides here, and description of a bonds and the wavelengths here. Yeah, we selected this and filter bonds with the area of interest, and we filtered date to uh, include the 2024. And after this, uh, we use it, yeah, we use it uh, need to add the more to for example, use the cloud pixel percentage, we use the 50%, and we use the media and clip the area of interest. And after this, we calculate the NDWI like this. We normalize difference B3 and B8 and rename to the NDWI and create water masks with the NDWI like this. We define the var NDWI. After this, we define var watermark NDWI get greater than 0, and we define the Chlorophyll Proxy like this. I define to S2 select bond 4 divided S2 select bond 3, and rename it to chlorophyll and update mask with the water mask. We add a water mask here, and we use it NDWI also mask to show only the water area, because yeah, we want to monitor the chlorophyll in water area, and after this we visualized this like the for the visualization we use the minimum 0.5, maximum 2, and I use this palette with the layer name Chlorophyll Proxy. And after this we can run the code. In the layer we have chlorophyll proxy. You can see the chlorophyll. The green areas shows the low chlorophyll and yellow and red high chlorophyll. For better understanding this, we can add a optical two color bonds of a Sentinel tool. I add layer to P432 mean 0 to max 2000 for the better visualization and better understanding of this change. If you run again, you can see we have a true color, and you can see we have a sediment here, and we can compare this true color with the colorful proxy, and you can see in the sediment areas we have a high colorful values. You can change this results to the any other area of interest, and you can change the date. So application of this is monitoring the algal bloom and water quality index, and river and coastal water quality assessment, long-term ecological studies, and early warning for pollution events. Thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe our channels.